The new generation LandCruiser Prado scored well across the 4 key safety areas of ANCAP's Australian crash test program. Vehicle Safety Authority ANCAP has today released results for the new 250 series Toyota LandCruiser Prado, awarding the rugged SUV an overall rating of 5 stars. The new generation Toyota 4-wheel drive scored well across the board, with an 85% adult occupant protection score, 89% for child occupant protection, and 82% for safety assist systems. Prado's score for vulnerable road user protection was 84%. In the demanding frontal offset head-on crash test, the level of protection offered to the majority of critical body regions of the driver and front passenger was good, with the exception of the driver's lower leg and chest, where protection was rated as adequate and marginal respectively. For the 2 child dummies seated in the second row, protection was good and the Prado achieved maximum points. The Prado is equipped with active collision avoidance features capable of detecting other vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists, with good performance recorded across the majority of on-track test scenarios. The new Toyota Prado delivers a robust level of safety that aligns with the expectations of fleet buyers and everyday consumers. This is yet another strong result, with the new generation Prado demonstrating Toyota's continued focus on safety across its model lineup, said ANCAP Chief Executive Officer, Carla Hoorweg. Comparing these results to its closest competitor, the latest Ford Everest scored 86% for adult occupant protection, an impressive 93% for child occupant protection, 86% for safety assist systems, and 74% for vulnerable road user protection. The new Prado features 9 airbags as standard, as well as the following standard safety equipment: pre-collision safety system, adaptive cruise control, proactive driving assist, driver monitoring, lane trace assist, emergency driving stop system, road sign assist, safe exit assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, trailer sway control, front and rear parking sensors. Toyota LandCruiser Prado 2025, prices in Australia. All prices listed are before on-road costs. GX, $72,500. GXL, $79,990. VX, $87,400. Altitude, $92,700. Kakadu, $99,990. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Drive safe.